Welcome, food enthusiasts, to another culinary adventure. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Pakistani cuisine with a mouth-watering chicken Karahi, a dish bursting with flavors and rich traditions. So, tie your apron, grab your chef's hat, and let's get started to create this masterpiece in this beautiful nature. So we'll start the recipe by preparing all our ingredients, and I must tell you that cucumber and onion is not the part of the recipe, it is just for my salad. I'm using around half kg of tomatoes in 1 kg chicken. So I'm gonna fast forward this process, so we just start with the recipe. Let's start cooking the delightful chicken Karahi. Heat up your trusty Karahi or a deep cooking pan. Add a generous amount of cooking oil. Once it heated, add a pinch of salt, chopped ginger garlic. Now add your chicken and cook until it turns white. While the chicken is turning white, we'll enjoy the view. I want to show you the view that we are at by the river. And it's so beautiful, guys. If you'll see the mountains and the greenery, it amazes me. Subhanallah. Now add sliced green chilies and lemon. Add your diced tomatoes. I told you I'm using half kg of tomatoes in 1 kg chicken. And let them cook down until tomatoes are melted properly. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Let them cook and you can enjoy the view. As you guys can see, tomatoes are done. Now it's time to add spices. Add around 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, your favorite Karahi masala. I will give you the link in description how to make your own Karahi masala. I'm adding around 3 to 4 tablespoon of Karahi masala. And close the lid and let it cook until the oil separates, just for 10 minutes. Oil is totally separated. Our Karahi is almost ready. Now finish it off with some julienne ginger, sliced lemon and green chilies. You must have to try this recipe. It's so delicious, flavorful. And let me know in the comment section below. And it's time for cinematic. I must tell you to try this recipe. And if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. High on food will help us to grow more.